Hey everyone, here's a quick video demonstrating how to send follow-ups and bulk follow-ups out of Rotabull. So you're going to come to your inbox and you're actually just going to go to your quote sent. I typically like to sort by value. You could have your methods for following up. Up here, open up this quote I sent out a few weeks ago. Come over to the left, I see all the info about the deal. I click follow up. You can save your snippets below. Thanks for the RFQ. Or you could write in your own and fire it off. Then when you come back into your quote sent, you'll actually have in your followed up portion, you'll be able to see exactly when you followed up with these quotes. And you can actually do these in bulk as well. Come over here and just select the ones you'd like to follow up with. Come up top, hit follow up. We'll do the same thing as last time. We could use a snippet or we can make our own note. And we send them off.